If you look up children's educational printables on Etsy right now, you'll see a massive market of parents and teachers buying daily. But actually making those modern, beautifully illustrated worksheets takes most sellers 2 to 3 hours per page, or forces them to spend hundreds of dollars on custom graphics. The Fun Science Experiment Prompt Vault solves this bottleneck entirely. It is a highly engineered prompt library designed to do the heavy design work for you. By the end of this tutorial, you will know exactly how to generate a complete 2-page science kit bundle, featuring a highly detailed student worksheet and a matching teacher answer key. To execute this workflow, you need 3 things: the Prompt Vault document, an account on Etsy or Amazon KDP to sell your work, and access to an advanced AI image generator. Creating high-quality educational printables is no longer constrained by graphic design skills. It is simply a matter of feeding the right commands to the AI. This chart outlines the process, a straightforward 4-step workflow: choose, copy, paste, and sell. Step 1 starts inside the vault. You have 300 unique experiment topics across 6 categories. Every experiment relies on safe, common household items. Before you generate, a quick troubleshooting rule: always use a top-tier model, like GPT-4o or Midjourney. Older models often jumble the spelling, so using the right tool guarantees crisp, readable text on your pages. Moving to step 2, simply select your chosen prompt in the document, copy the entire block of text, and paste it directly into your AI generator. The prompt forces the AI to output exactly 8 specific sections on the page. Instantly, you get a curved header, hypothesis checkboxes, cartoon material icons, instructions, and an observation drawing box. Because the prompt explicitly commands an 8.5 by 11-inch portrait layout at 300 dpi, your output requires 0 manual resizing. It is ready for print immediately. Step 3 involves returning to the vault to generate a matching teacher's guide for the specific experiment you just created. Paste that prompt in, and the AI will generate a companion page in the exact same pastel style. But this time, it automatically fills in the correct hypothesis checkmarks, adds bullet point observations, and provides simple science explanations for the teacher or parent. Including a paired answer key targets the specific needs of classroom teachers, turning a standalone activity into a complete instructional package. Step 4 is getting your product to market. For Etsy, package that student sheet and teacher key together into a single downloadable PDF bundle. Looking at this grid, primary buyers are parents organizing weekend activities and homeschoolers needing low-prep science lessons. In your listings, highlight the safe household items and pastel cartoon aesthetic to appeal directly to educators. Selling individual bundles on Etsy is a great start, but you can also scale this workflow to Amazon KDP to publish physical activity books. A single experiment bundle isn't enough to fill a printed book. You need volume to create a substantial paperback. With the Vault's 300 unique prompts at your disposal, you can repeat the copy and paste process. You can easily generate 60 different experiments in a single afternoon. Since KDP-ready margins are inherently built into the code of every prompt, you avoid the frustrating trial and error of formatting your pages for a book interior. Once your files are generated, compile all 60 images into a single PDF document and upload it directly to your KDP dashboard. What starts as a single worksheet idea quickly expands into a highly scalable, multi-platform publishing business model using this prompt system. The days of spending hours staring at a blank screen are over. You can output a professional bundle of science activities in minutes. Right now, the Fun Science Experiment Prompt Vault is available for an introductory price of $14.95. The $14.95 cost is roughly equivalent to the sale of a single high-value experiment bundle on Etsy, meaning the vault can pay for itself with your first successful listing. During this launch window, the purchase also includes 5 bonus resources: a customization cheat sheet, a list of the top 25 converting topics, a seller's launch toolkit, a niche research map, and an SEO keyword pack. The true value here is gaining immediate, low-friction access to a high-demand digital marketplace. Check the link in the description to secure your copy of the Vault and start building your shop today.